come to this cup game. Should be a close one, but neither team will want to go out at this stage.
Well, we've just got the team sheets in. Let's see how they'll line up.
An attacking formation, 4-3-1-2, is using an attacking midfielder to support their strike partnership.
They're going attacking with a 4-3-3 formation.
And we're off. This should be an entertaining game. And he's won it back for his team. They're just looking to keep the ball.
Danilo. And the team swap possession again.
Perfectly executed.
Costa.
Higuain. Khedira has it.
He goes for goal. That's a safe piece of goalkeeping.
Striker's ball. Headed on.
Costa. Off the post. And there's the shot. And this is a world-class finish. Let's have a look at that one again. So we're back underway. I wonder how that goal's going to affect this game.
Good distribution. The striker picks it up. Well timed then. Great defending. The striker picks it up.
He tries something special. Passed well. Ball's crossed the line, it's out of play.
Here's Ronaldo. Great technique. The defender regains possession. And now they're going to try and break. It's with the striker now.
Great footwork. What an opportunity.
Oh, great save. A few minutes of stoppage time. The referee checks his watch and blows for half-time. Here we go then for the second half. Another 45 minutes to enjoy. Higuain.
The goalkeeper eases the pressure.
The attacker is in possession. And with the defender now. Khedira has it. Their passing has been so accurate.
And he's back in possession.
Good ball. At the striker's feet. That's an easy call. It's a goal kick. No player's gone into the book yet. He's headed the ball forward. The striker picks it up.
Surely now.
Szczesny picks it up.
This one has gone out of play.
Well, the players are warming up on the touchline. Is it time for a change? Volleyed on.
Costa.
At the strike.
That's a crack. Oh, good catch by the keeper. And that clearance will lift the pressure.
Distributes the play. Shoots,
And that's off target. Let's see how close that one was to going in.
still time to score an equaliser. Headed on, intercepted. Good, clean challenge. Ooh, quality defending there. At the striker's feet.
And we're into stoppage time now.
He shoots.
Simply no messing about there. Clean finish. Let's see a replay of that crucial goal.
We're only going to have 1 minute.
And there we have it. Fantastic performance from this side as they put themselves in place at the next stage of the competition.